Hello all, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm going to explain you about how to create your own thumbnail by just giving a command prompt, okay, in a website which I am going to show you now. By this video I think a lot of people will get easy way to create their own thumbnail without paying anything and without paying any money. Like nowadays lot of people used to pay money for the thumbnail creators and website links, which like Canva, vidIQ, etc, etc. I don't want to mention so on so names as well, but in this video I'm going to show you your own way to create your own thumbnail by giving a command prompt, and you can design the thumbnail the way which you want to look and the way which you want to portray your content to the audience as well. And it's completely free of cost. And in this video I am mentioning this is not a promotional video because I do not have a lot of subscribers as well in order to promote, but I am trying to gain little bit subscribers in YouTube. So my likes target for this video is 15. I hope you guys would help me in reaching my likes target. So go soon and click on the like button, guys. And the site which I want to mention about creating the free thumbnails is nothing but, first go to Google, type here PICLUMEN, PICLUM. This is PICLUMEN AI free AI image creator. You should click on the generate for free. Already the things which I have created by giving the command prompts in my earlier things. Now you should click on the create. Here you should give the command prompt which you would like to give. Like for example, I want to give like background. I'm trying a normal command prompt, guys. Background should be mixed with black mixed with white, foggy background, center a man thinking, corner in bold, question mark, the corner, do not think too much. Okay, you should give the command prompt like this, guys. And not only this format, I have chosen this format, like what background color should I need and what images should I need. And you could give the command prompt, whatever command prompt you think in your mind, you can give. And there are no particular attempts for this website, and you can do as much as thumbnails which you can. Okay, and it is completely free of cost, and it will not get any watermarks as well. Like after clicking here you can see, like you can download this images casually. See, for example, I have given this command prompt, and let's try. After giving this command prompt, let's click on this control plus enter, submit the task, or we can click this symbol simply, or else we can click on control plus enter. Now let's see how our image is going to be generated, and after I will tell you a little bit options as well. Wow, it's really very nice. See, I have given the command prompt here, background black mixed with white foggy background. This background is very nice. Really, I like the background very nice. I did not expect this much of image, like this much of image generation. And the center, a man thinking, the same. It has given the same, a man thinking. And the bottom right corner, I have given big question mark. Here it is given the big question mark, and bottom left corner it is like do not think. I have given the matter like do not think too much, and here you could give the capital letters as well. And after clicking this, here you will see, here you will get an option for downloading, and here you will get an option for copying the link, and here you get an option for sharing it to Reddit, Facebook, and Pinterest, and X, wherever you need. And here you could copy the complete information like this prompt, everything. And this is like delete the current image which you do not like. Okay. And this is like you can add this to your own collection after logging in. Normally I have logged into this PICLUMEN. I have signed up to this website. So here you can, sorry, here you can give you can remix this image, and you can remove this background as well. Background in the sense it will remove all this and this question mark and this matter as well. You only this person will be remain. And this upscale is nothing but you need to upgrade this. And in the more there will be options like these three options are premium options, like you should you will get these options after paying. And this describe image is nothing but if you upload an image, then it will automatically describes about the image. Okay. And in this PICLUMEN, like this is the very best and very reasonable and very cheapest option to make your own thumbnails. I hope this thumbnail is very much suitable for the video. For example, if I want to make a video based on like why are you thinking too much, then this thumbnail will be opt, I guess. Okay. So I hope you guys understood very well about how to create your own thumbnails and how to give the command prompt for generating your thumbnails. And here you can go to your gallery which you have created, like your collections. And these are the tool centers, like describing the image in the sense, here there is one girl, and here there is high quality, here there is 4K, etc. Okay. And that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys understood very well about giving the prompts, and I hope you guys will complete my likes request, 15 likes. And please share this video to your friends who are struggling for creating their own thumbnails and who are paying their money for thumbnail creators. And this video is not completely promotional. I am doing it by my own self, and the credit goes to this PICLUMEN website. And please subscribe this channel for this kind of videos, and encourage me and support me. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye bye. See you in the next upcoming videos.